Okay, so this is part 4 of rebuilding image for sale app. So this is what I have so far. This is the app right now, and let's see. Today I think I got the upload image function working. So if I can click on here and I can just select a whole bunch of images, screenshot, and it's gonna say uploading 12 files because it's is it dead now? Hang on, I'm sorry. I think my backend is dead. Nope, that is still running. What is going on? Oh, I'm sorry. I have to click it. That's why. Jesus. Okay, I'm a little bit not awake right now. But what it's gonna do is that's gonna try to upload a 10 file into the database. And right now, Google Image Recognition does not work because I don't have the key for it, the key for my API. I just gotta get that set up and with my building and stuff. But right now, everything is working. You see, right over here, it says the URL is here and the full resolution is over here. The image compression right now is happening in the front end like usual. I can do it in the back end, but my Heroku server will not be able to handle it. It's gonna be inside of my upload image modal, and especially using drop zone. So what's cool about drop zone is that you can detect whenever they are having stuff over it, and they can change the color. So let me show you. Check this out. I could do this. I can do upload and drag it over, and you can see it detects it, and I can change it to what I want. And what I can do with the file limitation is that I can just say that you can only upload JPEG and PNG. You cannot upload anything else. So check this out. I put in some error handling to detect whenever the user upload a file that's not supported, and it will tell you screen recording is not supported. Other screen recording is not supported. The only supported file type is JPEG and image. And I can close, and I can just upload that new 3 file, and it's updating the app in the real time. So like right here, if I were to log out and make a new account, right, it doesn't reload the page. It's doing it in real time. Oh, let me just register the new account here. Okay, let me just try to upload this new photo again. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So in the background, it will actually add the image as it's uploading to the cloud. So you don't have to refresh the page and waste more network requests. But from here, you can go in and you can just type whatever you want. Like you can just change the image to like, this is a random image of a terminal error. Boom. And if I can set the price to like 20 cents, I can't do that, right? It won't let me save the changes. But if I set the price to $1, right, I can save changes. And right now I cannot see it in the main page because that is set to private by default. But if I log in and I can set it to, which one was it? This one right here. I can set it to public, and now it's gonna be public for people to see. Kind of small, but it is public. But now we're gonna do but yeah, that's pretty much it for the entire day. I spent way too much time just getting this upload box to work, and you have no idea how long it took me to wrap my brain around why Stripe uses cent instead of dollars amount. I guess it's more for optimization purposes because calculating using float is very slow, so they decided to use integer instead. But the pain in the butt part was that you have to make sure that it's more than 50 cents. Not only that, right? And the amount needs to be multiplied by 100 when you get to the database because it's in cent. So $1, if you put 1.0, that's going to be equivalent to 100. And I can do right here, image router, edit image, right? Edit 100. There we go. Yeah, I have to change the price to this. And I realized that using my old backend, there are some security flaw with my backend. So that the security flaw is that anyone can go in and if I can control Z, okay, I don't want to do that. I put new data, I just put rec.body here, and that get passed directly to the database. And that what happened is that when that happened, they can change anything they want. They can change the user ID of that image, they can change the key of that image, and they can change any other, like the URL of the image, which is bad. So I didn't want that to happen. So now I changed it to only so that you can only upload the to only change the image title, the price, and whether it is or not it's public or not. So that worked. And yeah, it just next tomorrow I'm gonna get the search function working, and I'm gonna try to research my Google account, my Google account to get the key working, because right now, if I enable this, what is gonna happen is that it's gonna give me an error. Let me see where I say tag. Upload. That's in my upload image tag. Yeah, right here. So this is the function that labels the image, that detects the image, the content image, and labels it. But right now it is not working because I don't have my Google API key. So what I'm going to do, that's I'm going to try to figure out where I put it last time and try to make a new key. I had my account got suspended because I think I just forgot to pay. So now I gotta get it working again. But let me show you why it's not working right now. Let me show you what happened when I try to upload it. Let me just go ahead, just upload a very quick account here. Let's do this image right here. Upload one file. Yeah, network error. So that's pretty bad. If this was production, it would not show the screen. It would just show like a blank page or whatever. Maybe the app just crashed. But yeah, that was kind of bad. Oh, it just crashed the entire back end. Holy smoke. Yeah, that's really bad. Yeah, we should probably have some error handling, like a .catch here or something. .catch console log error. Or I just call it next, to be honest. .catch next. And that's gonna give me like an error of 500, which is kind of hard. Oh, I don't even have next here. Okay. There we go. So that when that happened, when that situation does evolve, let me see that. Let me try that again. Actually, upload 2 files. Network error. Okay. Yeah, we just gotta figure out a way to not crash the backend here, because that is crashing the backend, which is kind of bad. Okay. Anyways, have a good day. Have a good life. And yeah. Huh. Yeah, I do not want it to be happening in the back end. That would be very, very bad. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I'll figure it out. I'll figure out a way to secure it so that I would not crash my entire backend whenever the image API key is broken. But that's not really my main priority right now. My main priority is just getting the app to work properly. My camera just froze up. And so tomorrow I'm going to work on the Apple Pay and the payment portal, and I'm gonna get that working, and then I'm gonna circle back. If I get stuck, I'm gonna circle back to the easy problem, which is getting the search function to work, and then I'm going to make the website more HTML, more responsive, like so. For some reason, let me show you what I mean. Let me make a few image public real quick. This is public. This is public. Just set this as public. Let me set this as public too. Let me just set my homework as public too here. Whatever. Let me just set this one as public too. Okay. So let me show you what I mean when the error that I'm talking about. Okay. So right now the website is not HTML and CSS responsive. So if I scroll this website a little more than it, you see, it doesn't go to 2-bar because this is way too small. I want this to be 2 column, and then when it gets to this point, it become 1 column, which is what I want. But right now, the images gets very, very small until you get to 1 column, which is not very good. I want something in between, and the search function is not hooked up yet. And the search function previously is very inefficient because it's using the iLike instead of get find by find. Yeah, there's somewhere in here is iLike. Yeah, so that's very inefficient. I'm gonna find. I think I initially want to use what's it called? Elasticsearch for it, but then I decided not enough time. So I'm probably gonna use database. I'm gonna figure out a way to make full text search very efficient. Maybe using a tree structure or a tries, I think, to figure out to make sure the word is correct, and then using indexing to get. I'll figure it out. I'll find a way to make the full text search more faster than it is right now. Anyways, goodbye. See you next time.